What's going on, Rockstars? As you can see from what's going on behind me, Buddy Club has recruited us back to the Spec II Army. So we're throwing the Spec II exhaust back on the S2000. Stay tuned for some sound clips at the end of this video because this thing sounds absolutely nasty. And you're going to want to stay tuned for some upcoming footage collaboration, media collaboration, whatever you want to call it, with Buddy Club for some S2K specific parts, some that are already on the car, some that are going to be going on, some that they just released, so you're not going to want to miss that. So without further ado, let's get into some Spec II goodness.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Alrighty, Rockstars, so as you can see, we got the stock system off. Probably the hardest part of the Spec II install is getting the stock system off. Ethan is graciously lending a helping hand or two, getting the Spec II system back on, the bushings on, getting it lined up. And then we'll be ready for some sound clips.
Do the two-step.
What?
Two-step.
Let me get in on that.
Alrighty, guys and gals, we hope you enjoyed today's content collaboration with Buddy Club. Huge thanks to Nick, Kevin, Brian, all the guys at Buddy Club for making such amazing, nasty sounding exhaust and parts for the S2000. So we hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned next time where we go over the Buddy Club parts that are already on the car and swap some special new ones in, so stay tuned.